This video demonstrates the proper way to remove trash, dust, spot clean, and vacuum commercial office spaces. Before you begin, gather all your equipment and supplies, including personal protective equipment such as gloves or goggles. As a safety precaution, always check power cord conditions before using electric equipment. Check to see if the vacuum bag or filter needs to be replaced. Bags should be replaced when they are half full. Move counterclockwise through the work area, picking up obvious trash lying about as you go. Be careful not to discard items that may be left on the floor but is not intended to be thrown away. As you empty the trash cans, check to see if the liners are wet or torn and replace them as needed. Disinfect the trash can, replace the liner with the correct sized bag, and return the trash can to its original place. Separate trash from recycling. This can be made easier by having clearly marked containers. Now it's time to dust. There are many dusting tools that work well. You can use microfiber dusting mitts, synthetic or lamb's wool dusters, feather dusters, or dusting attachments for vacuum cleaners. It's best to use lint-free dusting cloths, microfiber cloths, or vacuums for healthier indoor air quality. These methods trap most of the dust instead of making the dust airborne. Always dust high levels first, and then work your way down. Make sure all cleaning solutions are properly diluted. The best way to achieve this is by using a dispensing system. Use disinfectant on high-touch surfaces such as doorknobs, light switches, and telephones. Allow disinfectant to dwell before wiping clean so the germs are eliminated. Clean tabletops and interior glass. Dispose of trash properly in designated area to maintain pest control. Now that the area has been dusted, spot cleaned, and the trash has been pulled, it's time to vacuum. Vacuum the entranceway mats, then remove them, and vacuum underneath also. Vacuum hallways, elevators, and common areas. Vacuum high traffic paths and any visible debris in office areas. Vacuum under trash cans and under furniture, and then replace them to their original position. Vacuum all air vents as required. Replace vacuum bag and check filters at least every 2 hours. Properly dispose of soiled bags. Daily vacuum maintenance is important to prevent the need for deeper carpet cleaning. Checking the brush roller bar and cleaning the filters keeps the vacuum in proper condition and will extend the life of the machine. Store the vacuum, cord, and attachments in their designated areas. Turn off facility lights and lock the door.